All right, another asthma case that we're totally going to help, and they're going to make it so that literally they don't need any type of steroid medication. And it's so frustrating when people are told, hey, what do you do for asthma? You can't treat that. Matter of fact, there's 4 parts of asthma. This is the beauty. Most of the time people are like, oh my gosh, the lungs are restricted. You need a steroid to open it up. But there's actually 4 parts of asthma. And this is why when you treat people with the 4 parts, what happens is they get healthy enough that they don't need medicine. So here's what it is. The first one is, why is the immune system freaking out? There has to be a trigger. Is it dust? Is it dander? Is it foods? Is it chemicals? Is it mold? Like, test, don't guess. There's an easy way to figure it out, and then you retrain the immune system so that it doesn't have the temper tantrum. That's number 1. Number 2 is you got to help rebuild the lungs. There's some advanced nutritional therapy, literally, that takes a special lung extract, gives the body a blueprint. In my clinical experience, like, you can make phenomenal differences for lung tissue. And there's even some ways that help to get the lung tissue to work better using a refined tree step. The next thing is you can help the red blood cells to carry oxygen through a refined beef liver extract that literally helps the red blood cells to carry oxygen and taking the stress and the workload so that you get out of this vortex fight or flight response. And then the last one, and the one that's most important of all, like the European treatment that helps to reset nerve memory. Did you know that sometimes when your body's sick, and it's not just asthma, it can be all kinds of different things, that your nervous system starts to think, oh, it's normal to have impaired or restricted lungs. And if your body was a computer, they would say, turn it off, turn it back on. Well, there's a German technique called neural therapy that really helps to reset. It's literally rebooting the system. And then a little bonus thing. There was a doctor in Louisiana named Dr. Harold Philibert that developed a technique called the infraspinatus respiratory reflex. And he did a retrospective study. He believed that he could literally resolve, maybe even cure 80% of the patients that had chronic lung problems, because he found that there was a muscle in the back called the infraspinatus muscle that shared a common nerve root with the lungs, and that when he was palpating or feeling people's backs, they had this exquisite muscle. And he took a special type of a glycolized ester of a B vitamin, and he would go reset this muscle. When it did, it opened up the lungs. And that's exactly what we're going to do on this case. Like asthma, especially exercise-induced asthma, there is such a better way than relying on prescriptive medicine for the rest of your life. It's amazing. So that's how we're going to treat asthma. If you're looking for a warrior in a white coat, that you need someone to help me, come find me. It's Dr. West on how we help asthma, and we're going to have another case that is healthy enough that they don't need medications.